Hey, hi there. Again, the goal is to get the drone back, but the goal today is to take the drone and put it right through that bridge out the other side. I don't think it'll be too hard, but I just want to make sure there's no one around when I do it. It's really nice here, as you can see. I don't know if you can see the water down there. It's really pretty, and I'm sure I'll get some with the drone. Well, I hope I'll get some with the drone. But this is an old covered bridge. I think it says up there 1876. So I will do my best to get the drone back and see if we have a good time. Fingers crossed.
Eu que pensava que era engano. Olho seus olhos de luz e vejo anjo. Esqueci dos tropeços, esqueci das caídas em noites perdidas. Vou encontrar o meu lar. Foi do seu sorriso que encontrei a paz. Alguém que preciso pra não olhar mais pra trás. Foi do seu sorriso que encontrei a paz. Alguém que preciso pra não olhar mais pra trás.
Okay, here we go. Another successful day. I got the drone back. Bridge was fun. I hope you enjoyed the short flight, but it's a pretty day out and I need to get out of here. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you real soon.